This C# program simulates a lottery game where the user picks numbers and compares them against randomly generated winning numbers. Below is my explanation in my program. First, Dictionary of Lotto Games. A dictionary named Lotto Game is created to store different Lotto games with their respective maximum number ranges. The second one is selecting a random Lotto game. A random game is selected from the Lotto Games dictionary. The third one is user input. The program prompts the user to enter their chosen numbers. The fourth one is generating winning numbers. The winning numbers are generated randomly. A list of numbers from 1 to the maximum number is created and 6 numbers are randomly selected from this list. The fifth one is simulating the drawing process. A simple progress indicator is shown to simulate the drawing process. The sixth one is displaying winning numbers. The winning numbers are displayed. The seventh step in my coding is checking for matches. The program checks how many of the user's numbers match the winning numbers. If there are matches, they are displayed. The eighth is the result display. Based on the number of matches, the program informs the user whether they have a won or if they should try again. Overall, this program combines elements of randomness, user interaction, and basic control flow to create Lotto game simulation.